Good morning. Today we'll discuss about business analytics in practice. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about different applications using business analytics. In business analytics, we are using huge amount of data. All the data were unstructured data and the size is very huge. It is unpredictable and growth of data also is unpredictable. So these data is coming under big data category. So we need to discuss about big data. Big data, it is simply a set of data that cannot be managed, processed or analyzed with a commonly available software in a reasonable amount of time. Now we'll list out some of the business analytic applications. They are all management of customer relationship, financial and marketing activities, supply chain management, human resource planning, pricing decisions, sport team game strategies. So first, before going to discuss about the business analytical applications, we'll try to define the business analytics in practice. It is a practice. We can define another way that business analytics is the practice of iterative methodological exploration of an organization's data with an emphasis on statistical analysis. The business analysis is used by companies committed to data-driven decision making. And why we need to go for business analytics in practice is it is performed in order to identify weakness in existing process and highlight meaningful data that will help an organization prepare for future growth and challenges. Predictive and prescriptive analytics are sometimes therefore referred to as advanced analytics. And this is a spectrum of business analytics. Here we have three different categories. Under these categories, we have number of steps. See, for example, if you take descriptive, here we have set of techniques that will try to describe standard reporting, data query, data visualization, descriptive statistics. From these past discussed data, a model can be described that will try to predict the future event. By using this model, we will have different possible outcomes. The possible outcomes will be optimized by using decision analysis and simulation software in this prescriptive categories. Next one is financial analytics. In financial analytics, predictive models are used to forecast future financial performance. It also assesses the risk of investment portfolios and projects. It will construct financial investments such as derivatives. Prescriptive models are also used over here to construct optimal portfolios of investment. It will allocate assets and also create an optimal capital budgeting plan. For example, asset management uses optimization models to decide how to invest its own cash received from insurance policies and other financial products. It also often used to assess risk in the financial sector. The next application is human resource analytics. Here we have large number of human resource in which we have to identify the right person to our business. So there we are applying the business analytics. The HR function is charged with ensuring that the organization has the mix of skill set necessary to meet its need. The organization is hiring the highest quality talent and providing an environment that retain it and achieve its organizational diversity goals. HR analytics team insights corporate HR functions. The team uses descriptive and predictive analytics to support employee hiring and to track and influence retentions. Next application is marketing analytics. It is one of the very important analysis for any business. Without having any suitable marketing analytics, it is very difficult to success in the business. A better understanding of consumer behavior through the use of scanner data and data generated from social media has led to an increased interest in marketing analytics. As a result, descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics are all heavily used in marketing. So, for better understanding of consumer behavior through analytics lead to the better use of advertising, budgets, more effective pricing strategies, and improved forecasting of demand, improved product line management, and increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. So, without having the customer analysis, we are unable to choose suitable advertising board, advertising media, or budget, or price, or anything else. The other application is healthcare analytics. The use of healthcare analytics is healthcare is one of the increase because of pressure or two simultaneously. So, see for example, if you take people who is suffering with illness always trying to take efficient treatment with low cost. So, we need to have proper analysis. By that, we choose the right person as with right cost. So, control cost and provide more effective treatment. Descriptive, predictive, and prescriptive analytics are used to improve patient, staff, and facility scheduling, patient flow, purchasing, and inventory control. The use of prescriptive analytics for diagnosis and treatment is relatively new, but it may prove to be the most important application of analytics in healthcare. And here you can see all three marketing, financial, and natural analysis compared over here. In HR, we can take from 2007. Slowly it is started, and of course, even though we have huge variations, but is maintaining the slope. Okay. It is not abrupt changes in the upward directions. In case of financial analysis, we need to invest initially high, and slowly it will be coming down. Then it will be slightly flattened. But in case of marketing, anyway we need to improve to the higher level. See here, you get 100. The number of 100 represent the peak search volumes. So unless we have proper marketing, we need to. It is very difficult to succeed in the business. So we need to invest as well as concentrate more in the marketing. The next one is supply chain analytics. Any country, if they have core industries and they are able to produce more and more product, and there must be a supply chain. If they don't have supply chain, then it's very difficult to deliver the product to the different countries. So the China is suffering a lot, all because of that only. They are concentrating and now in supply chains. So one of the earliest application of analytics was in logistic and supply chain management. The optimal sorting of goods, vehicle and staff scheduling and vehicle routing are all key to the profitability for logistic companies. Companies can benefit from better inventory and the processing control and more efficient supply chains. Analytics tool used in this area span the entire spectrum of analytics. Descriptive analytics are used to present the status of supply chain to manager visually. For example, if you take Gangra Foods uses predictive and prescriptive analytics to better plan capacity utilization by incorporating the inherent uncertainty in commodity pricing. And if you take government and non-profit, they are not going to concentrate in marketing once. Now they are trying to concentrate in all the way. Government agencies and other non-profits have used analytics to drive out inefficiency and increase the effectiveness and accountability of programs. Indeed, much of advanced analytics has its root in the US and English military dating back to the World War II. Today, the use of analytics in government is becoming pervasive in everything from election to tax collections and sports analytics. So need to choose the correct player. That too, we need to evaluate the players. So use analytical approach to player evaluation in order to assemble a competitive team with a limited budget. The use of analytics for player evaluation and non-field strategy is now common, especially in professional sports. The web analytics, of course, is one of the very important things. Nowadays, we have large media, social media, large number of social medias. Through social medias, we are trying to do marketing. We are trying to understand the customer behavior. So, web analytics is one of the very important process in business analytics. It is the analysis of online activity which include but is not limited to visit to website and social media sites such as Facebook and LinkedIn. The web analytics obviously has huge implications of promoting and selling products and services via the internet. Leading companies apply descriptive and advanced analytics to data collections in online experiments and determine the best way to configure a website positions, add and utilize social networks for the promotion of products and services. So it's very important. First of all, we need to collect the data in online experiments, and we should identify which website is very suitable, and in website which position is very suitable to put our ad. By that, it will reach the customer. The same way, social networks also. And this is a conclusion. What we have discussed till now, we have summarized over here. Big data, why we need to discuss about the big data. So, the data which is used in business analytics is huge number. In size, it is very huge. It's unpredictable. The growth of the data is unpredictable. So, we need to concentrate the big data analysis. And we have discussed about the various applications areas also. From each and every applications, what type of category, that means business analytics categories is used, like predictive, descriptive and prescriptive. And our discussion focused on till now financial analytics, human resource analytics, marketing analytics, healthcare analytics, supply chain analytics, analytics for government and non-profit organizations, and sports analytics and web analytics. So along with we have large number of applications. So with a suitable example, we can explain each and everything. You can put your queries in comment box. So due to this time constraints, so we went a little fast. So please go through the slides. You'll be able to understand as well as recall all your concept. The presentation is prepared according to your syllabus as well as your textbook. So there is no need to worry about it all. Simply you can stick on to the presentations. Thank you.